Next, the point 8 minus 8 will always lie on which of these lines? Here 8 minus 8, it should lie on these lines. It means what? If any point lies on any line, it will satisfy the equation of that line. Here lies on any line equals to satisfies the equation of that line. So let's check 8 minus 8 satisfies the equation of which line? Put x equals to 8, y equals to minus 8. So 8 over here, minus 8 over here, 0. First only we got the answer. So it satisfies the equation of x plus y equals to 0. So it lies on x plus y equals to 0. In exams, once you get the answer, you need not try any other C, D, B, anything. Just for confirmation sake, over here we can try. So put A in B, put 8 equals to minus 8. Is it true? No. Then put over here 8 minus minus 8. So this becomes plus 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. So this is also not true. This is minus 8 equals to 8. So this is also not true. So only A is true. In exams, don't go for B, C, D once you get the answer in A.